Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone had a lovely Monday. I hope everyone is having a lovely Monday. Guys, sisasephezukayo indaba kena uThando neSithembu Musamseleku asibonisa ke isithembu sakhe, the kids and everything. We saw here usine bonding notatakhe Nkosi yami, bangasebahle Nkosi yami. They were so cute together. Usine lying on isandla sikaMusamseleku utatake. They look so nice. Like it seems like they've rebuilding and rekindling their relationship as father and daughter. It is beautiful to watch. Like it is beautiful to watch. We always thought Musamseleku doesn't really love Usne. He only loves abanye abantwana. Let me know what do you guys think. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.